In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play YouTube videos on repeat or how you can loop videos on YouTube. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, just search for the video you want to loop. It can be any song or anything. In this case, let's say it's this video right here. Just open it, then click on save or click the three dots, and you will need to add it to a new playlist. So click on new playlist and choose any title you want, for example loop, and click on create. You can change the visibility to private or public and create this new playlist. Now you need to go to that playlist, so we can go to this left sidebar menu and scroll down until you see playlists, and you will need to open your new playlist. Now at the right you should find your playlist right here, so it only has one video, and you can loop the playlist by clicking right here. So this way it will only loop this video because the playlist only has one video, but you can add more. For example, you can have 3 songs around your playlist and click on loop, and this way those 3 songs will be repeated. So that's it. That's how you can loop videos on YouTube. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.